Hey, one of the things I learned quite early on when building websites where you had a virtual or a downloadable product is that sometimes the product is not accessible by the person who's purchased it until the admin or someone somewhere, in the universe has to say the order is complete. So let's say you're selling PDFs or documents or whatever on your website. I buy it. I then log into my account, but I cannot access that document. I have to wait for you or someone to say this is now complete. Payment has gone through, it is now complete, right? So the order might be pending, processing payment, something like that. That can really put off people. It can really irritate. I hate it if I buy a downloadable product and then I have to wait to get access to that downloadable product. Like, what the heck? It's a download. Give it to me. Now, this bit of code I'm going to show you here will auto-complete virtual and downloadable products, okay? Let me show you that code. To get that code, you want to be using code snippets. It is free. Go get it. It's for WordPress. It is my go-to tool for code snippets because I don't like doing child themes and I like to protect where everything sits. Once you've installed it, go over to snippets, hit add new, give it a name, and then go get the code in our description and add it. I've called it AutoComplete WooCommerce. Give it a name you're going to recognize in future, okay? And here's the code. This just works amazingly. You don't need to change anything in here. Seriously, just drop the code in and away you go. And what that now means is that if anyone goes to our website and say purchases any of our mastery modules, which you should definitely do, the minute they've purchased it, the order is complete, so they can now access those documents or modules or videos or whatever. This is super easy and simple to do. And if you've got virtual or downloadable products, I definitely recommend you want to be doing this. I'm Imran, Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, 'cause I